Hi guys, my name is Joshua. I'm from Malaysia. I started a business a few years ago, and I was looking to build a website, and I got into freelancer.com, and I put out a contest, and this developer called Alal came up, and he stood out with exceptionally good design. I was impressed, and not only that, but he was patient, and he listened carefully. He understood what I wanted. He got it right. Most of the time, replying back just within few hours. So I would recommend Alal to you or to anyone, and I don't think that he will disappoint you. Thank you.